Hello everyone, welcome back. So we are going to continue the JSON here. Let's start with a simple example. So as I said earlier, so in order to use the JSON, you need to input a default package called JSON. Okay, so I'm going to write a simple JSON like person equal and here key and value. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to have okay, the first one is name. So name is Phil and age 30 and city London. Okay, so this is a simple. If you want to see clearly, I can put a break over here so you can see clearly. So this is a JSON string. I'm going to convert this into a JSON object. So how we are going to do that? How we are going to do that? Okay, so we have a person here. What is getting? I'm getting end of line while scanning. Okay, it's in a string now. Let's give it a sync line. Okay, so I have a string which has the values. So now what we are going to do is this is a a string, JSON string. I'm going to convert this into a Python object. Okay, so how we are going to do that? Because there are two types of methods available to work with the JSON. The first one is loads and the second one is dump. JSON loads method load method help us to convert JSON string to Python object. So let's try that. So I'm going to have a variable called result equaled. So the method load method. So load method which is available in the JSON package. So JSON dot load and you need to pass the input here. So basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to pass the JSON data to a Python object. Okay, so now I have a Python object, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print the data. So result. So what do you need to get? Let's get the name. Right click and run Python. So str subject has node attribute called read. Okay, so what is the error? Line number 7. Line number 7. What is the problem here? Okay, it's loads actually. Okay, so loads method. Just save it and right click and run again. See, we got the data because I'm just passing the result and I'm getting some data with the help of the key, because in normal string you won't pass the key and you'll not get the values. So only JSON object you can iterate or travel through the data with the help of the index or the name. Okay. Okay, so that is good. So what else we can do? Okay, let's take other data also. Let's take age and let's take the city as well. Right click and run. See, we got all the data. Or you can direct, let's see what will happen if you print everything. Print of result. Save it and right click. Let me clear the console. So right click and run. See, we got the Python dictionary value. Okay, so this is the way you need to convert a JSON to Python with the help of JSON loads method. Okay, so for example, I have a JSON object with me. So I want to convert into a JSON format like JSON string or JSON number or JSON array. So how are we going to do that? As I said earlier, like from JSON to Python, we are using loads method. The other way around, from Python to JSON, we need to use the dump method. Okay, let's see how we are going to do